Looking for a microwave that combines power, style, and convenience without taking up too much space? The Farberware 1.1 CUFT stainless steel microwave delivers 1000 watts of cooking power in a compact design that fits perfectly on any countertop. Whether you're heating up snacks or preparing full meals, this microwave makes it quick and easy with express cooking options and a handy memory function that saves your favorite settings. I've used this microwave myself, and what stands out is how effortlessly it fits into my kitchen routine. The stainless steel finish gives it a sleek, modern look that complements any decor. Unlike my old microwave that required pushing a button to open the door, this one features a sturdy handle that makes opening and closing a breeze. Despite being slightly lower in wattage than my previous 1200-watt model, I noticed no difference in cooking performance. My coffee heats up just as quickly, and meals come out just right every time. Plus, the interior lighting is easy on the eyes and cleverly hides minor splatters, so it looks cleaner between deep cleans. This microwave offers more than just power and looks. With 10 adjustable power levels and 6 one-touch cooking programs, like popcorn, potato, and pizza, you get precise control over your cooking. The defrost feature works by weight or time, speeding up meal prep without guesswork. The LED display keeps you informed with a clear kitchen timer and clock, while the child safety lock adds peace of mind for families. If you want a reliable, stylish microwave that fits your lifestyle and kitchen space, the Farberware 1.1 CUFT stainless steel microwave is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your countertop with a smart, efficient cooking companion.